Hi, this is Kip, and this is our ME-3750 rolling stage system. The ME-3750 rolling stage support pairs with our all-purpose stage deck to create a portable stage that's perfect for any of your major events. The rolling supports make it easy to move, and locking casters keep it secure once you have it where you want it. The setup and teardown are easy too. Each unit unfolds to support 3 4-foot by 8-foot decks, and it supports the end or the corners of up to 12 more bridging decks, which allows you to create a large stage using fewer supports. There are also 2 different options for storing the ME-3750. You can store it without the decks on it for efficiency, or you can store it with the decks on it for easy accessibility. Just imagine how convenient it would be to have the ME-3750 rolling stage system in your venue. For more information, please contact us.